Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Misua with egg, a simple yet comforting dish. First, gather your ingredients: 100 grams of Misua noodles, 2 large eggs, 4 cups of chicken broth, and 2 cloves of garlic, minced. You will also need 1 small onion, chopped, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Prepare these items so you are ready to begin cooking. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pot over medium heat. Sauté the minced garlic and chopped onions for about 2 to 3 minutes, until they are fragrant and translucent. If adding a protein like ground pork, now is the time. Cook until it is no longer pink. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and then season with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Let these flavors meld beautifully. Once your broth is simmering gently, carefully add the 100 grams of Misua noodles. Cook these delicate noodles for only about 1 minute, as they become soft very quickly. Next, crack the 2 eggs directly into the simmering broth, making sure they are spaced apart. Let the eggs poach undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are fully set. The yolks can remain slightly runny or be cooked firmer, according to your preference for a perfect bite. Immediately after the eggs are cooked to your liking, carefully ladle the hot Misua soup into individual serving bowls. This ensures the noodles do not become overcooked and mushy. Garnish each bowl generously with freshly chopped green onions, adding a vibrant touch and a fresh aroma. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, consider sprinkling a few crispy fried garlic bits on top. Serve this delicious and warm soup at once for maximum enjoyment and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.